Today, we're diving into the world of SIM tracking apps that hackers are using in 2026. These aren't your average trackers. These free apps let anyone pinpoint SIM cards with alarming precision. With privacy concerns at an all-time high, it's crucial to know what tools are out there and how they're used. This video is for educational purposes only. My goal is to inform and help you protect yourself. Let's get into it. First up, let's talk about ShadowSIM Tracker, a true legend that's been making waves across underground forums for years. Known as the stealth pioneer, this app has earned a reputation for being both powerful and elusive, often discussed in hushed tones among cybersecurity enthusiasts and digital outlaws alike. What sets ShadowSIM apart is its ability to let users pinpoint the exact location of any SIM card in real time. It doesn't just rely on standard GPS. Instead, it uses a combination of advanced triangulation methods, cell tower data, and even Wi-Fi signals to track targets with remarkable accuracy, even in areas where GPS might fail or be jammed. ShadowSIM operates in complete silence, running quietly in the background so it's nearly impossible to detect. All data transmissions are fully encrypted, ensuring privacy and security for the user. Plus, it's cross-platform, working seamlessly on both Android and iOS devices, which makes it incredibly versatile and easy to use for anyone, regardless of their tech background. The free version of ShadowSIM is already impressively robust, offering real-time tracking and basic location history. But for those who want more, the premium upgrade unlocks a suite of advanced features, including detailed historical tracking, SIM data extraction, and even remote SIM management tools, giving users unprecedented control and insight. Thanks to its unmatched stealth, raw power, and wide range of features, ShadowSIM Tracker has become a favorite tool among hackers, private investigators, and digital security experts in 2026. Its reputation continues to grow as more people discover its capabilities. Getting started is incredibly simple. With just a quick download and a few taps, you're instantly connected to one of the most advanced SIM tracking platforms available today. No technical expertise required. Next up, we have TraceLock, a powerful tool that has quickly become a favorite among cybersecurity professionals and digital investigators alike. TraceLock is renowned for its deep integration with a wide range of public databases, allowing users to pull in vast amounts of information from open sources. But what really sets it apart is its seamless connection with social engineering tools, making it a go-to choice for those who need to gather intelligence efficiently and discreetly. At its core, TraceLock acts as a sophisticated aggregator of metadata. It collects and organizes call records, text messages, and even links to social media profiles, all within a visually appealing and easy-to-navigate dashboard. This means you can see patterns, connections, and digital footprints at a glance, saving hours of manual research. The software leverages advanced OSINT, open-source intelligence techniques, and can even use network pings to locate devices. In some cases, TraceLock is capable of pinpointing the location of a device, even if it's powered off, by analyzing residual network signals and metadata left behind. Automation is at the heart of TraceLock's design. Users can schedule regular scans, set up custom alerts for specific activities or changes, and let the software handle repetitive monitoring tasks. This ensures that you're always up to date without having to constantly check the dashboard yourself. Another standout feature is its ability to track multiple SIM cards simultaneously, all for free. Whether you're monitoring several devices or keeping tabs on different numbers, TraceLock makes it simple and efficient. The platform also boasts a vibrant community plugin marketplace. Here, users can extend TraceLock's capabilities by adding new surveillance tools, integrating with other software, or customizing workflows. This creates a dynamic ecosystem that evolves with the needs of its users. Despite its impressive depth and range of features, TraceLock remains remarkably intuitive. The interface is designed with beginners in mind, offering clear navigation, helpful tooltips, and guided setup processes. So, even if you're not a tech genius or a seasoned investigator, you'll find TraceLock easy to use. It empowers anyone to harness the power of data aggregation and digital tracking, making advanced surveillance accessible to all. PhantomLocator is all about invisibility, virtually undetectable on the target device. Once installed, it operates in complete silence, leaving no visible traces or notifications. The app icon itself can be hidden, making it nearly impossible for anyone to realize it's running in the background. This level of stealth is what sets PhantomLocator apart from conventional tracking tools, ensuring that even the most vigilant users remain unaware of its presence. It cloaks all data transmissions with robust, end-to-end encrypted peer-to-peer channels, making it exceptionally difficult for network monitors or forensic tools to intercept or decipher any information. Whether sending location updates or receiving remote commands, every packet is shielded by advanced encryption protocols. This means that even if someone is monitoring the network, they'll only see indecipherable data, not the sensitive information being exchanged. Anti-tamper features are built in to protect both the user and the data. If any attempt is made to disable or uninstall PhantomLocator, it instantly triggers a remote data wipe, erasing all traces of its activity. This not only safeguards sensitive information, but also boosts trust among hackers and privacy enthusiasts who rely on the tool to keep their operations secure and untraceable. PhantomLocator also intercepts and logs any SIM card changes, making it the perfect solution for tracking burner phones or preventing SIM swap fraud. Whenever a SIM is swapped, the app immediately notifies the operator, ensuring that no unauthorized changes go unnoticed. This feature is especially valuable for those who need to maintain control over their devices in high-risk environments. Despite its arsenal of advanced features, PhantomLocator remains completely free and open source. Anyone can inspect the code, contribute to its development, or customize it for their own needs. This transparency not only fosters a community of trust, but also ensures that the tool remains at the cutting edge of privacy technology. If anonymity is your goal, this is the tool hackers and privacy advocates around the world trust. Its reputation for reliability and discretion has made it a staple in the underground community, where staying hidden is not just a preference, but a necessity. PhantomLocator is stealthy, secure, and built for the shadows. Whether you're a cybersecurity professional, a privacy enthusiast, or someone operating in the digital underground, PhantomLocator is the ultimate ghost in the machine, always present, never seen. SIMSight is a top pick for hackers in 2026, thanks to lightning-fast tracking and real-time notifications. It pings users with updated coordinates and activity logs as soon as a SIM moves. Collaborative features let users form tracking groups and share targets for more effective surveillance. Heat maps and dashboards visualize movement patterns, while built-in chat enables team coordination. The free tier is robust, supporting a wide range of devices and networks. SIMSight delivers powerful tracking, even without premium upgrades. GeoPin Pro is all about pinpoint accuracy, narrowing down SIM locations to within meters. It combines cell tower, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth data, overlaying movement trails on high-res satellite maps. Geofence alerts notify users if a SIM enters or exits designated zones, perfect for monitoring high-value targets. Built-in anonymization protects users' privacy, a rare feature in free apps. The interface is clean and accessible for all skill levels. GeoPin Pro is trusted by hackers and security pros alike. TrackEase wins users over with its intuitive, minimalist design. Core features, real-time tracking, movement timelines, and multi-device syncing are just a tap away. The built-in safety center lets users manage permissions and set emergency alerts. Its simplicity appeals to parents and employers, not just hackers. TrackEase is completely free, supported by a privacy-first ad model, powerful tracking, no hidden costs. StealthSIM is one of the quietest tracking apps, operating almost invisibly in the background. Silent mode suppresses notifications and camouflages network activity, making detection nearly impossible. It monitors SIM activity, flags suspicious changes, and compiles everything in a secure dashboard. The self-destruct protocol wipes all traces if tampered with. sending a final location ping. Supported by a privacy-focused community, StealthSIM is always up to date. For true stealth, this app is hard to beat. UniversalSIM Track is all about compatibility, tracking SIMs in phones, IoT devices, smartwatches, even cars. It auto-detects device types and adjusts tracking protocols for accurate real-time data. Cloud integration means you can access your dashboard from anywhere and set automated alerts. Batch tracking lets users monitor dozens of SIMs at once from a single interface. Free and open source, it's constantly updated for new devices. UniversalSIM Track is the flexible choice for multi-device surveillance. EasyTrace offers a straightforward SIM tracking experience. Just enter the SIM number and go. It provides live map views and instant updates as the target moves with a clean, simple interface. Quick Share lets you send live location links to trusted contacts, making it useful beyond hacking. Optimized for speed and low battery drain, it's ideal for long-term tracking. Supported by user donations, EasyTrace remains completely free, powerful tracking, made accessible to everyone. SentinelSIM is the all-in-one SIM tracking solution, combining real-time location data aggregation and privacy controls. Its customizable dashboard lets users set alerts, generate reports, and visualize movement patterns. Analytics tools provide deep insights while stable connections ensure reliable tracking. Robust encryption and permission controls keep user data secure. Free to use with optional add-ons, SentinelSIM is comprehensive and reliable. It's the go-to for anyone wanting a complete tracking package. That's the top 10 free SIM tracking apps hackers are using in 2026. These tools are powerful, use them ethically, and respect privacy laws. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more tech and privacy deep dives. Stay informed, stay safe, and thanks for watching.